Hello, CP students. Happy May, Cuatro de Mayo or Cinco de Mayo, as it were. Today, you guys, as always, are going to start out with your attendance form. This is May 4th for CP4. If you're CP5 or 6, you're going to be seeing this on May 5th. So fill out that form, and then today's assignment is going to be weekly writing number 5. Number 5, weekly writing number 5. So to get a prompt for this, of course, you can go back to your anticipation guide, and these are the different prompts. Having friends fulfills our basic human needs, yada, 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 all the way up to running away from a crime is never acceptable. So choose one of those prompts that you have not chosen yet. Probably it'll be prompt 5 or 6. Go into your weekly writing number 5 and write your paragraph. As always, topic, sentence, context, evidence, analysis, and concluding sentences. That is your assignment for the day. If you do not finish it, you will finish it by 10 a.m. on Wednesday if you're CP4, or 10 a.m. Thursday if you're CP5 or 6. Your homework is going to be to read Chapter 6. Chapter 6, that is finish the book, Finish of Mice and Men, for your next class. And also don't forget to fill out reading log 30 by Sunday night at midnight. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Click on the Zoom and we'll talk.